Hi guys, today we will be doing a last part of our shooting. Yes, a last part. If you haven't seen part 4, part 3, or part 2 of that one, check it out right now. But this is our game so far. And what? What could we just add in? We're going to adding yeah, a rocket launcher. So basically, yeah, we need a new variable. Just control V. I don't know why that little sticky nothing is there. There. What body do we need? We actually need this body, so this. How to do that? Just do it like What is rocket? rock over and do T6. Let's make an example. Say KRL, what's that? It stands for rock over. Network yes. Equals yes. If the gun type one type please. Equals 10.2. Yeah. This is 2. Yeah. RL is not TS. Yes. But it does. Let's just check the code. Oh, bit strange. And making it a good speed. For this part only. So many people to provide rename this to Fetch, please. Fetch. If I can though. Y speed.
Spectacular, awesome, wonderful, on this channel. This is not like I am because the way. Traditional broadcasting, isolated series in a couple of imagination areas. I don't know who's clear. I'm not currently it's especially something about the sound. I know I'm smiling. I think I got a special thing. I'll see. I see what you feel like together. So this is about that. What's so young? Yes, you can people just I think it was like that. Yes, let's go. We're gonna start off with a TikTok.
Well, let's just move it. So the next bar is the final. It's just gonna be this thing or setting. That's what I think. And that's pretty much. But you know the town.
Skills are going out to check. So if you're a strong athletic person, I'm sorry, I know that's not going to be fun. So by the cost sorry. You're not listening up. Going to a big person is just ask them, yeah, why do you try to plan this next to the box so far out now? Ask them about make sure the path is clear, alright? You make odds in your free, it doesn't matter. You can make sure you're free about these songs all out and having a point at TV so that the presentation of video is being recorded. And you'll say no, the same person, no one's the next person. Well, sometimes I have to say, yes, we can have to ask you about something because it's on a video. So we're going to give you a better time, so you don't have to.
Okay. Bye guys. You guys have a great day. This tutorial was pretty long. Oh yeah. Also one last thing. Let's change the background a little bit. Oh, dark shades. Yeah. And this is what your game should look like. So, bye guys. Hope you guys have a great day. And also, I'll make more Scratch tutorials on how to make other games as well. So, bye.